Welcome back, my name is Ray. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to attract the things that you actually want in life instead of repel them, which you're probably doing because nobody fucking tells us this stuff in school. Nobody teaches us how to actually get the things we want with little effort. It's all about your mindset, your consciousness, the level of consciousness that you're actually on delegates what comes into your world. So listen up, man. This is super important. I need you to pay attention. Don't be jumping through this video. Stick with me till the end and we will learn together. I'm going to show you how to actually manifest everything you want in life. Girls, wealth, money, health, everything. But first and foremost, before I begin, I'm going to quickly announce that I have created a 10-day masculine meditation workshop just for you for free. Link is in the description. I want you to go down there and click that link. When you sit back and you're flipping through Instagram, scrolling online, okay, or even at night when you're going to bed, what things are you wanting and needing and wishing you had in your life? Because you can go online and watch all kinds of manifesting techniques. You can watch all kinds of law of assumption stuff where they tell you to just be this. If you just do away with your wants and needs and stop being so needy, you'll stop repelling things. That's true, but they don't tell you how. They don't tell you how. That's what I'm going to share with you today, because this little trick, man, it blew my mind. I started having so many of the things that when I was younger, all I wanted, I sat around and just daydreamed about shit that I wanted. I want this. I wish I had this. It would make me feel complete. It would make me feel so much better. Nah, man. No. Listen up, because this is the actual trick to manifest what you want with little effort. It all came down to this and this only. When I began to work on myself, take my time and use it much more wisely, not sitting around daydreaming, not thinking, scrolling and looking at, pictures of Italy and the Amalfi Coast and, oh man, I could be there on a yacht. Look at these rich folks on the yacht with all the girls. Oh man. The more you do that shit, the further and further away from that you become. That's the truth, man. So, look, in your body, I've explained this in other videos. Go watch my channel and learn about the energy that is within you and the other side of the story. This is just getting into mainstream cultures, it's just getting out there to people. But look, man, this is my take on this. In your body, you have 7 chakras, okay? Now, within these chakras, they all resonate at a different frequency. And within that frequency, they delegate what is your world. What your world is. Not your mind, not your thoughts and your imagination. That is not what delegates it. That is how you can manifest by using those, like your imagination, your thoughts, the beliefs, the emotions backing it. That is very powerful. But we're going to keep it super simple because you have to focus on the base first. This is what they all leave out. When I started getting into this, I thought, oh my God, this is the missing link. It made me feel like so complete when I learned that if I just have a thought with the belief and emotions that are backing it, I can do this. I can make life happen. Because, man, as an incredibly sensitive empath, it was easy for me to put an emotional response to anything. This is why healing from trauma, for me personally, from my past, was super difficult. The emotional imprints that I laid in my path like breadcrumbs, it was insane, because they were like nails in a coffin, man. Not like normal people. And that's why I can speak to you about this, because, man, I've gone through it. I know what it's like to sit there and have those struggles and want and need and be super impressionable, and people online teach you bullshit. Absolute fucking bullshit. This is the first step. Clear these chakras. You have to do the work through meditation, through breathing techniques. This is how you actually cleanse and balance the chakras. This chakra, the root chakra, was the biggest problem I had. It is your grounding, your stability. It is your base level of where you truly are in your life. How do you feel? Are you stable? No, I was not. I was way out of whack. When I actually took into account that you can clear these, make way for the energy to flow freely, because look, man, if you're trying to manifest and use the law of assumption and law of attraction, I don't care what it is you want, whatever you think is riches towards your life, the energy that you put out, okay, is a collection of these chakras. I always put it this way because this is the easiest way I've found for other people to understand it, and it's a good way that I can express it because I'm very musical. I've been a musician a lot of my life, and this is how I see it, and I hope that you can understand. These 7 chakras are tuning keys. They tune the instrument. The body is the instrument. You get me? The body is the instrument. These 7 chakras are the tuning keys. You are trying to play the song of life on an untuned instrument. Therefore, anything that happens in your life is off balance. This is the key to all of it. It's at the beginning, at the base. You have to understand. There is no quick fix. There is none. There is none. How do I become more masculine? How do I get all the girls? How do I become alpha? There is no quick fix. Retention is not going to do it for you. No FAP is just the beginning of reprogramming your mind from the dopamine bullshit that you grew up in. That's the first step. Now, when I heard about all this and I thought, oh, there's no quick fix, I just cried about it. I'm not going to lie to you, man. It hurt. I didn't want to do the work. It fucking sucked. I thought, I started making excuses like, I'm happy here. I can just be, a shit human being forever. No big deal. I can deal with it. No, man. No. Because when I made that decision, my life got worse. And I didn't think it could get worse. And man, I gotta tell you, no matter how bad you think it is, it can get worse. It can. And it's your fault. The moment that you step back and blame yourself and nobody else is the moment you take control of your life. You have to move forward by yourself. No one's gonna fucking come slap your hand and tell you to do this or go work out or eat better food, think better thoughts. It's up to you to find how to do it that works for you, that is sustainable, that you cannot back out on. That's the truth, man. You have to fucking do it. And you can go cry about it. You can go cry about it and live in a hole and have a shit life and wonder why all this bad stuff happens to me. Why can't I date the beautiful women? Why can't I have all the money? It's because of you. You have to fucking own up and move forward. How do you do that? Through meditation. Stay tuned because in the future, I'm going to create a masterclass on how to go deep into your well-being, your energetic, spiritual self, balance, cleanse, heal trauma from the core. So stay tuned. That is coming up. It'll be absolutely free as always. So listen, man, when you're protruding out into the world, these bad vibes, you know you're going to get because you attract what you are. Keep that in mind. When I learned that and started to actually believe that, oh my God, this is all my fucking fault. It's all my fault. That is when I started to change it all around. Because at that moment, my energy, the core energy of all my chakras, all of them began to switch frequency. Just from that one little bit of effort, that little bit. You know what I saw? Greater things started to happen in my life. Not epic, big, huge things. That came much later. That came much later after years of work and years of continually being on the frequency of abundance. And that's how you get to that frequency is you go in deep and you actually do the work. You cannot just wake up in the morning, say some affirmations and be like, I'm abundant. I'm so rich, I'm abundant. And then go live your life. That's not how it works. That's external. That's external. You want to go deep into the core. If you don't do that and you refuse to, you're so wasting your time. I did that for so long. And then I went through the path of regret of doing that for so long and wasting so much fucking time. And that right there kept me stuck. At some point, you just gotta go all in, man. And that is the truth. That is how you fucking go forth and conquer like I always try to get you to do. Conquer like a boss. Like that. Do the real work. If you want help learning how to breathe and meditate, go in the description, man, and click that link. Go do what it says. Tell me your path of success because I know from doing this myself and showing this to other people, sky's the limit, man. You just have to commit and be aware that you are the problem and fix it. So like this video, man, share it with your friend. I'll see you in the next one.